गुस्सा आ गया, थोड़ा बाद में देखो ना क्या होगा। अब की बार 400 पार बोला था। कित 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 कित। A good number of police officers, right from DG to OC, were transferred because of the desire of the BJP leaders. And not only that, before effecting such transfers, the leader of the opposition of the state assembly, in a public speech, was used to say, these officers will be transferred, these officers will be transferred, these officers will be transferred, these officers will be transferred. You know, open. Please. Now, वही था। हाँ, public speech आप बैठिए। पहले public speech he was telling in terms of the dictation of the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders. Every stage, every time, interfered with the election process. Not a single one has been fed. But when we lost the complaint against the BJP candidates and the BJP leaders, no step was taken. No step was taken. In a marginal win, 10,000 seats, 7,000 seats, 8,000 seats, 8,000 votes, they have won because of the blessings. Otherwise, you would not have seen even the 12% from the Bharatiya Janata Party from the West Bengal. What the CISF has done, sir? CISF, they were threatening the voters, go and cast votes in favor of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Do you know in the fifth phase of election, that is on the date of my election and Sajda Amal's elections, do you know, previous night, CISF entered into the house, molested two women. One is at Ulubedia and one is at, yes, and one is at my constituency, Jangipara. It is the same that his CISF have entered into the house.
माननीय एक मिनट
अरे सुनो भाई,
एक मिनट।
2 CISF officers were arrested.
माननीय सदस्य, आप वरिष्ठ सदस्य हैं
सर,
अपन को एक
क्यों नहीं बोलेंगे? बोलना होगा। 2 CISF officers were arrested. Now, sir, just to why the 7th phase election? Why? We have objected to that. Why the 7th phase election? Election was conducted for 3 months. To accommodate whom? Of course, I will speak.
एक मिनट माननीय सदस्य, एक मिनट माननीय सदस्यगण, एक मिनट नहीं, एक मिनट एक मिनट अनुराग, एक सेकंड। आप वरिष्ठ सदस्य, माननीय सदस्य, हमें चुनाव आयोग जैसी संस्थाओं पर निष्पक्षता के सवाल नहीं उठाएंगे तो ठीक रहेगा, मेरा मानना है।
मेहताब जी बुलाई सर, उनको बुलाई।
Sorry, you have not kept. Sorry, I could not have.
मेहताब जी क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Kalyan Banerjee is a very senior member and a very learned lawyer. And he is an eminent jurist also. My only request to you, sir, is when we make allegations against an individual or against an institution, there is a provision in the rules. He should be given, or he or she should be given to give a reply. I don't find there is anyone in this House who can stand up on behalf of Election Commission to reply.
नियम थ्री रूल 353 देख लेना.
Keeping that in mind, sir, keeping that in mind, sir, I would request Kalyan Banerjee, sir, to consider that. Please consider that, because, thank you.
बैठ जाओ.
Two officers arrested.
Arrested. Arrested. Sir.
Please,
Chop.
please.
Sir, I would not have raised the issue. Sir, I would not have raised the issue. I would not have raised the issue unless in this speech it has been written, quote, I also express my gratitude to the Election Commission of India on behalf of the courts of India today. This is the largest election. I am opposing that. I am opposing that. Why you have brought Election Commission of India into this speech? Why you have brought? If you have brought in the President address, you have to hear Mr. Mehta. You must have tolerance to hear now. You have gone to that side, now you increase your presence. You increase your tolerance. This is written here. I know law, I go by law. Sir, now, अभी इतना गुस्सा आ गया. थोड़ा बाद में देखो ना क्या होगा. अभी इतना गुस्सा. Why 7th phase election? Why? Why for 2 months and 30 days, 15 days? Why? Why the entire development of the country has been stopped? Why? To accommodate.
ये गलत है. चुनाव आयोग निष्पक्ष है, निर्वाध है. वो अपनी तारीख खुद तय करता है. इस तरीके
we are saying, you are saying this. This is a charge against the Election Commission of India. Now, sir, speeches have been delivered. Hatred speech have been delivered. Hatred speech against the minority community, Muslims have been delivered. What steps have been taken by the Election Commission of India against them? What? What steps? Only steps against the opposition. All these steps against the opposition leaders. Sir, now I come to another chapter. One by one chapter. The Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, आपको हम बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. आप देश का प्राइम मिनिस्टर है. आप सीनियर है एज में. जो सीनियर है, आप ही तो कल बोला, उनको इज्जत करना चाहिए. हम तो इज्जत करते हैं, इज्जत भी करते हैं. लेकिन हमको, I am in a opposition, I have to criticize also. Then this is my role. That's the reason people of the Srirampur parliamentary constituency has chosen by a margin of 1,75,000 votes. बहुत ज्यादा मोदी जी का ऊपर से, बहुत ज्यादा. तो मोदी जी, why are you having so much hatred, vindictive attitude to the opposition parties? Why? In a democracy, opposition party will always criticize the ruling party. And that is the foundational job of the opposition party. Why we will hate all opposition leaders all the time, or we will spread hatred towards the opposition or to the minority? I never heard, sir, sorry, for long 10 years I have never heard from Modi ji any sweet words, any soft words towards the opposition is concerned. Any soft word, any sweet words. Never I have heard any praise by the Honorable Prime Minister to the opposition. Never. Never any praise to the chief ministers who are in the non-BJP state. Nowhere I have ever heard it, sir. With a great pain I am saying so. You, in our state, you hate our chief minister Mamata Banerjee. In Tamil Nadu, you hate Mr. Stalin. In Delhi, you hate Arvind Kejriwal. In Jharkhand, you hate Hemant Soren. In Maharashtra, you hate Uddhav Thackeray. In Uttar Pradesh, you hate Akhilesh Yadav. All the over, Karnataka Sitaramaya. Anyway, and that is the reason. Exactly today, time has come. No, if you are arrogant, I don't mind. But today, time has come to oversee yourself. To oversee this arrogancy, this hatred, this vindictiveness have downgraded the popularity of Mr. Narendra Modi in India itself. You must appreciate that. This is the point which you have taken. Sir, what is called stable government with clear majority? What is called? Since BJP has lost 63 seats and not having majority on the basis of the strength of every political parties, you wish to redefine the term stable government. You are rewriting the term stable government. Fantastic procedure. आपने बोला था ना, अब की बार 400 पार बोला था, खेल शुरू हो गया था सर, खेला हो शुरू हुआ ना, खेल तो बहुत सा खेल है सर, चू कित कित भी खेल है, चू कित कित में चू धरा 400 में, कित 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 कितना हुआ 240, वो गेम में भी हारा गया।
इधर
सर आपको, हम तो आपको ही देख रहे हैं, हम किसी को नहीं देख रहा। एक बार देखने से साइड से आपको ही देख सर, हम इसलिए आपको, आपसे ज्यादा स्मार्ट इधर कोई नहीं है, कोई जेंटलमैन नहीं है जो उनको छोड़ के आपको देखेंगे। गुड एक्टर्स भी आया लेकिन उनको नहीं देखता है, आपको ही देखता है सर। आपको सिर्फ आप ही है, आप अंदर में। Now said, people of this, remember your attitude towards opposition. You could not fulfill your promise, whatever you made in every field, either in Man Ki Baat or in Dil Ki Baat. मोदी जी का गारंटी है, लेकिन मोदी जी का गारंटी में वारंटी नहीं है साहब। पब्लिक there is no warranty, गारंटी है लेकिन वारंटी नहीं है। Sir, please keep in mind, I am addressing you. Please keep in mind, sir, that NDA government, this NDA government got secured around 48.86% vote, including 8.3% in NDA. Total is 48.86%. And what is the India got? This India got bloc secured 51.14% vote. Remember, sir. Sir, yes. Sir, there is a change. Of course, suddenly there is a change in the country itself. What the Honorable President of India has said. What has been done, you know? Change is this. There is an unstable government and other side is a strong opposition in the country sitting here. हर पल, हर दिन, हर पल याद रखना होगा, हम लोग अनस्टेबल हो और वो लोग इंडिया ब्लॉक ज्यादा स्टेबल है, ज्यादा सख्त है। मेरा जो वक्तव्य हम रखेंगे इधर, जो हम बोलेंगे इधर, सिर्फ पार्लियामेंट में नहीं, पार्लियामेंट के बाहर भी लड़ाई चलेगा, पॉलिटिकल लड़ाई चलेगा और ज्यादा दिन नहीं रहेंगे। सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र का इलेक्शन होने दीजिए, उत्तर प्रदेश के इलेक्शन होने दीजिए, उनका बाद 1.5 बरस में साफ हो जाएगा इस गवर्नमेंट को, कोई नहीं सकता है। सर, इन आवर कंट्री,
आप लोग किधर देते हैं, हम लोग किधर देते हैं।
हाँ सर, एक्सेप्टिंग द इमरजेंसी डेज, never any prime minister misused his or her power for targeting the opposition leader by using ED and CBI like this government which has been happening. You are claiming a stable government. Sir, what we are habituated to see. What we are habituated to see, Narendra Modi ji, Prime Minister, is coming here, entering into the parliament, standing in his feet. He is delivering this speech with all confidence. Now what we see? Now we see that the Prime Minister is entering into the Parliament with a two crutch. One crutch is Nitish Ji ka party, another crutch is Naidu Babu ka party. Two crutch leke chalta hai, और two crutch leke all over the India he will be moving around. Not only India, internationally he will be moving around. Earlier we have seen him, our Prime Minister, who was having so much confidence on him. Today he is not having that confidence on him. This is his head. Where? Said, always you have blamed us. Always you have blamed us that the corrupted leaders assembled and created opposition bloc of India Alliance. That is the allegations against us. All the time Modi ji has said it. Today also he will say this thing. But I have a simple question. Modi ji, what about Chandrasekhar Naidu? Chandrababu Naidu? What about Ajit Pawar? What about Prafulla Patel? Did CBI and ED arrested him? Chandrababu Naidu?